Get It Out the Mud 901. Linked up. Kemi Moto. My boy. We out here at the creek. Having a little fun today. But now they have sent me a brand new tablet holder. So we got our instructions here. This is very easy to install. Packaged up nicely. So this is our new tablet holder that will go in the dash. Put your phone here or a tablet. It's adjustable. You can winch it down, tighten it down. You got your compartment in here and your little compartment there to hold stuff. So let's get it installed. All right. So this will go in place of this old one here. Same style, but definitely Kemi Moto's is a lot better quality, and it looks a lot better also. So we're gonna pull the 2 push pins right here. That easy. Now it comes with gaskets here, but I didn't use them on my old one, and I'm probably not going to use them on this one. Just for my application, it's kind of different. So we took our push pins out. Pops right out. Simple as that. Our new one goes right in, and we got new push pins. But we're gonna use we're gonna go ahead and just use our old ones. Snaps in there pretty good and tight. Put your push pins back in. We're out here riding today, having a good time. Put my boy on the Honda there. Take your other push pin. Boom. And there you have your brand new tablet holder. This will hold a tablet, a phone. We got plenty of space up in here. We got a spot up here we can put stuff. But what I love about this the most is it holds my phone. So we'll raise that up, slide our phone in, and then tighten it down. Boom. And your phone will stay secure right there with no issues. Never come out. Great product from Kemi Moto. All right, so we got it installed. We got our phone locked in pretty damn tight. And let's go cruise around for a minute, show you how well it stays in place. Kemi Moto rear view mirror. That's my cage rattling up there. As you can see, it ain't going nowhere. It's locked in real tight. Definitely go check them out. Use my discount code. I'll put the discount code in the description and probably in this video. There it is, as you can see. Held the phone up great. KemiMoto.com, Kemi Moto on Facebook. Y'all make sure y'all go check them out. Go get you some products, man, and use my discount code. I'll put the discount code in the link in the description and also on this video. Kemi Moto, appreciate it for another great product. And we're gonna get it out the mud, baby, and we're gonna do it again.